Attendance management is the process of tracking and managing employee presence and absences to ensure compliance and optimize productivity. greytHR Attendance simplifies and automates tracking employee presence, streamlining time management, optimizing productivity, and ensuring accurate record keeping. Navigating our platform is a breeze. Just go to the Leave module, and under the Main section, click the Attendance Overview page. The page provides a comprehensive summary of employee attendance patterns, facilitating efficient time management and strategic decision-making. As an admin, you can easily access attendance records on this page. Click on the respective month for month-wise information. To access information about employee attendance and working hours, simply click on the summary card and choose the relevant category from the drop-down list. This Who is in card will display the attendance status of employees who are not yet in, late in, and on time. You can easily customize your search by using the different categories available. This attendance type card offers a comprehensive overview of employee sign-in details, categorized by various methods. You can quickly access information about employees who have signed in using different methods. This feature is useful for tracking attendance and ensuring employee compliance with company policies. Using this Access Card Details section, you can quickly and easily track the status of your access cards and ensure that they are up to date. With this information at your fingertips, you can stay on top of your access control and maintain a safe and secure environment for your team. You can also download the attendance summary report by clicking the download button on the respective card. This information is a valuable tool for monitoring attendance patterns and developing strategies to improve productivity in your workplace. I hope that the attendance overview page is now clearer to you and that you have a better understanding of how it works. With that, we come to an end. Please like and subscribe to this channel for updates about our upcoming videos.